Let's face it, it's a great feeling when you receive exceptional service. It's even better when someone takes the time to acknowledge how much they appreciate the effort. Here's a look at one of our favorite 5-star reviews. It's easy to see why this one is one of our favorites, because we work so hard on improving our processes and providing impeccable service. Not only is great feedback appreciated, we're thrilled to share it. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you. Have a great day!